Struggling trading the 5-minute chart? Don't worry. This is the only 5-minute trading strategy you would ever need in your life. Trust me, you're going to love this one. Yes. What's going on, guys? This is Ben, Day Trading Addict, and I help struggling traders take their trading to the next level. Today, I'm going to show you guys a 5-minute strategy that helps me every single day to trade the markets. Now, I'm going to show you guys some live videos of me trading the market. You're going to see me making $7,000 within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. And I'm also going to show you some other live videos of me trading the market. So let's go over the strategy first so you guys can really understand what I'm doing every single day. I'm looking at one market, trading one time frame, and taking only one trade, all right? So that is the main idea. Yes, some days I would take more than one trade. Let's say the first trade is a loser. I would take another trade just to see if I get my money back or make some money for that day. But for the most part, I'm averaging at least 1 to 2 trades a day, okay? You don't really need that many trades per day to just make profits from the market. You have to just wait for that right opportunity and take that trade. Now, every single day, what I'm doing is I have a schedule. So my schedule is 9:30 to 12 o'clock p.m. Okay, I'm looking at the market around that time. Now, 9:30 Eastern time, I'm looking at the market, and if I see a setup, let's say I see a setup at 10 o'clock, boom, I take the trade. That's one trade. Let's say I'm done at 10:15, 10:30, I'm done. Even though my schedule is 9:30 to 12 p.m., if I take a trade at 10:30, I'm done. Whenever that trade is over, I'm done. I don't have to wait all the way to 12 o'clock to look for another opportunity. No, it doesn't work like that. That's the window. The window is 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern time. So I'm waiting for a trade. Now, the first thing I do is I look for the direction of the market, okay? Is it trending up? Is it trending down? Is it slow today, right? Is it a day I even want to trade? Some days I don't want to trade at all. So that's something that you need to understand, right? Some days I'm not looking to trade. So I'm looking to see, if I want to trade that day, what type of day it is it uptrending, is downtrending, is slow, whatever the case is, right? Then the next thing I'm doing is I'm looking at my levels. I'm stalking my levels, guys, right? And while I'm stalking my levels, guys, I'm a waiter. I'm not a trader. I'm a waiter. I'm waiting for the right opportunity, okay? Because I'm not trying to force anything. I don't care if the market shoots up without me. I don't care if it's, going so many points without me. I don't care. I'm a waiter. I'm waiting for the market to come to my levels, because once it comes to my levels, then I'm looking for a trade opportunity. Now, what levels do I use every single day? I'm using support and resistance and supply and demand. Mainly support and resistance, because that's going to show up pretty much every single day, and supply and demand is going to show up here and there. So what time frame do I use to look at my levels? I'm using, again, one time frame, and that's the 5-minute chart. So let me show you guys an example. Let's go to the chart. So right here, guys, I'm looking for my 5-minute levels, my recent levels, okay, on the 5-minute chart. And I'm looking for, just levels to trade every single day, while I'm looking at the market. So right here, a potential level, okay, another potential level right here, or it can come deep right here, maybe another potential trading opportunity right here. Let's say that this is a resistance. So if it comes up here as a possible sell opportunity, this is how I'm looking at the market every single day. That's the 5-minute chart, okay? I'm looking at my 5-minute levels. Now, these 5-minute levels are recent levels. These are not levels that, happened, 4 months ago or 5 months ago, 6 months ago. No, these are usually levels that happened either today or maybe yesterday. Now, there are times where sometimes I might look at levels that happened 3 days ago, 5 days ago. But for the most part, I'm looking at levels that happened either today or yesterday. That is it. So let me show you guys the trades that I took, so you guys can really understand what I'm doing every single day. So let's go. All right, so this is my first trade right here. But before I show you guys the first trade, let me explain the trade first. All right, so here's the trade right here, guys. And pretty much if you look at it, we are in an uptrend, right? Uptrend, the market is going up. And all I see is, this demand level right here. And we also have this support level right here, because if you look at it, the market went up, down, right? So I'm looking at this level right here. This is a support level, okay? Once you understand the market at a high level, you understand that these levels will be trading opportunities, okay? So right here, we have a support level. Let me erase this so you guys can see. We have a support level right here, and I'm looking for trading opportunities when it hit this level, because I'm noticing that it can't really go below this level. We're holding up. Okay, we're holding up. We're holding up. We're holding up. So this is where I look to actually get in the market, and I'm gonna show you guys the recording right now. All right, so right here, you see that I'm in the market. It's not really going my way, but it doesn't look like it's trying to stop me out either. So I'm just waiting patiently. There's nothing to do. I don't see any indication that it's not gonna work. So let me fast forward this, show you guys what happened next. All right, boom. So it's basically going to the profit target right now, and you see me get out. Boom, I'm out, and we look at the P&L. I'm up $3,614.50. So that was a quick one-to-one, nice little trend line break. So let me just explain to you guys the entries, because I forgot to tell you guys the entries. All right, so if it's a bullish market, I'm looking for a nice little solid bar, probably closing at as high, or a rejection bar right here, or maybe a double bottom, right? So the market try to go down once, down twice, double bottom, we can get in, or okay, nice little trend line break, okay, for that continuation to the upside. And this is the reverse. If the market's going down, same thing, nice bearish bar, nice rejection bar, double top, and a trend line break. So that's the entries. Let me show you guys some more live trading. All right, so this is the next day right here, but let me show you guys why I decided to enter this trade. All right, so this is the chart right here. And by the way, guys, this is all my trades that I took last week. So right here, if you look at the market is bullish, right? Really no reason, in my opinion, to look for sells right now. So if you look at this, we have a nice little inverse head and shoulders, actually. And that's what I was looking at, okay? Nice inverse head and shoulders. And I'm looking for a continuation. So notice how we have this left shoulder right here, right? The market is bouncing off it twice. Notice how, boom, we got two rejections. So that's like a double bottom. I talked about this earlier when it comes to entries, okay? We have a nice little double bottom right here. The market shot up right here. That's the reason why I'm looking to get in, all right? And I'm looking for a quick one-to-one. Let me show you guys the recording. All right, so I'm in this move. Everything looking good. I'm really not concerned at all. We tried to sell off a little bit, but it didn't go down. And bulls is actually coming in right now. And I'm just looking for actually the profit to go to this high right here. But, that's about it. So let me fast forward this so you guys can see what happened next. All right, so I'm basically about to get my profits right here. Boom, and hit the high. I'm out. And if you look to the left, I'm up $3,868, okay, on that trade. So, again, a nice quick trade, straight to the point. Again, I'm looking at the direction of the market. I'm looking at the reactions at that area, and I just took the trade. So let me show you guys the next day. All right, so this is the trade right here. But before we go to the trade, let me explain why I got in. Again, guys, the market is bullish. I mean, this week was a very, very bullish week. So honestly, wasn't really trying to look for a lot of shorts at all. So right here, notice how we have support right here, and pretty much is bouncing off the support once, twice. When it starts to go up right here, that's when I start to get in, guys. A very simple trade. Again, I don't really try to complicate things on this channel. I don't really try to sound like I'm a smart guy. I'm not trying to sound like a scientist. You're not trying to hear me say, this is the best strategy in the world. You don't hear me try to make fun at other people or other strategies. No, here, I'll show you guys a simple way to trade, but I will also tell you guys, this is not the only way to trade. If you hear somebody say, oh, this is the only way to trade, then most likely that person is delusional and they don't know what they're talking about. So this is not the only way to trade, but it's a simple way to trade, okay? And if you stick to this, this is the only strategy you're gonna need. So right here, again, nice double rejection. Let me show you guys a live trade, all right? Everything's looking good. Bulls is coming in. I like this trade so far. I really, I'm not looking at it and saying, oh man, it doesn't look like it's not gonna work. It's looking really good. I like the reaction I'm getting so far. So let me fast forward this, show you guys what happened next. All right, so let me show you what happened. So we shot up, right? I'm looking for a quick one-to-one. We shot up and it went back down. So you see this nice little wick right here. It went to my entry, but it wicked out. So as soon as it went to my entry, boom, buyers came in. So that's a good sign. A lot of people, they panic when price comes back to the entry. You guys, do not panic, all right? This is a nice sign that as soon as it came to my entry, boom, buyers came back in. So right now I'm liking everything. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So let me fast forward this and show you guys what happened next. All right, so right here is going to my target profit. Boom, I'm out the trade. And if you look to the left, I'm up $7,032, okay, on that trade. So again, I was very confident in this trade. It was looking really good. The market was very, very bullish, especially, last week. Very, very bullish, guys. That's why, I was very confident in this trade. So let me show you guys the next trade. All right, so this trade right here, guys, I'm selling the market, but let me show you why I took this trade first. So let's go to the chart. All right, so the reason why I took this trade right here, you see that we have resistance up top right here. And pretty much when the market came back to that resistance area right here, guys, I was looking for a possible sell. Now, notice how we have 1, 2 rejections right here. Nice selling bar right here. That was it. That was nice confirmation. I took that sell. So let me show you guys the recording. So right here, everything's looking good. Market selling off. We are at resistance. And we do have a little pullback going on. Not too sure if I was going to get stopped out or not, but I was just waiting. So let me fast forward this and show you guys what happened next. All right, so boom, I got my quick one-to-one. If you look at the P&L, I'm up $3,702. Okay, that was a nice quick trade, basically straight to the point. Quick one-to-one because overall the market is bullish. Not trying to hold that much. So that was that trade. Let me show you guys the next day so we can wrap this up. All right, so here's the next day. I'm in this trade and basically I'm long. So let me go to the chart to show you guys, my thought process and why I took this trade. All right, so overall, guys, the market's still bullish, okay? Still bullish. Again, this week was very bullish. So notice how we shot straight up. And I'm not going to lie, guys. I wasn't going to trade today, okay? This day right here, I wasn't going to trade because it was Friday and we were shooting up like crazy. We didn't really pull back at all. I'm like, you know what? I'm not dealing with this market. But I saw something. This is what I saw right here, okay? We had support right here and the market bounced off that support once, twice. Buyers came in and that's all I need to see, okay? It was very clear, clean. Even though I wasn't going to trade at all, this was part of my system. And also it was a very clean trade. So it was like, I have to take it. So let me show you guys the recording. All right, so I'm in this trade right here. And, I'm not going to lie, the market is going against me. I'm thinking in my head, I'm probably going to get stopped out because, my last previous days, I'm winning 4 times in a row. So I'm up, for the week. But guess what? If I get stopped out on this trade, you know what? I'm still profitable for, the week. So that's my mindset. It is what it is. But I thought I was going to stop out because, I did win 4 days in a row. So let me fast forward this. All right. So everything's looking good. It's going to my target profit and boom, I'm out. I actually got out manually on that one and I'm up $3,175. Okay. Only reason why I got out manually because I'm like, you know what? This Friday is pretty much right at my TP. Let me get out. Let me just enjoy the weekend. Okay. So that was it. Honestly, I thought I was going to get stopped out, but it worked out. Again, I had to take that trade. It's part of my system, very clean, and, it went through. So again, last week was very bullish, very clean market. And a lot of people will laugh at, this strategy. They're like, ha, 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 you trade this way, right? They don't probably believe that you can actually use a simple strategy to trade the market because everybody online is trying to sound like a scientist. They're trying to sound smart when they, explain their strategy. But for me, okay, I realize what works for me is something that's very simple, okay? Trading a 5-minute chart, trading these levels, using a simple entry. And again, I'm showing you guys live trading because some of you guys have been asking me, hey man, show me live trading. So I showed you guys live trading on my past 7 videos, okay? So I'm showing you guys live trading because I'm showing you, hey, you can use a simple system, right? You don't have to complicate this thing, but you still have to put in work. You still have to backtest. You still have to get used to this stuff. You're not going to get it right away. It's not going to just come right away to you, okay? You got to see this stuff over and over and over, right? Brainwash yourself with this information and these patterns. And, sure enough, later down the road, you eventually will get this, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions about anything, comment below because I try to answer all you guys' questions, all right? If you want to learn how I trade, everything is below. So check that out. And also check out my channel because I have more videos like this. So thanks a lot for your time, guys. And until then, take care and have a great day.